As technology advances, the demand for artificial intelligence and machine learning engineers is increasing rapidly. These engineers are responsible for designing, building, and maintaining complex AI systems that can analyze vast amounts of data and make intelligent decisions. With the rise of automation, AI and machine learning technologies will become even more critical in healthcare, transportation, finance, and many other industries. AI and machine learning engineers will be vital in developing systems that improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making capabilities. To become an AI and machine learning engineer, it's essential to have a strong foundation in computer science, mathematics, and statistics. In addition, expertise in programming languages such as Python and data analysis tools like Hadoop and Spark is necessary. Moreover, keeping up to date with the latest technology developments, trends, and research is also critical. In the field of AI and machine learning engineering, the possibilities are endless. The ability to develop intelligent machines that can learn and adapt on their own will transform many industries and create innovative solutions to some of the world's most significant challenges. As technology continues to take center stage, AI and machine learning engineers will be at the forefront of innovation and progress. So, if you're passionate about computers, math, and technology, a career in AI and machine learning engineering might be the perfect fit. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content.